You don't start with money. You start with nothing. No capital, no connections, no margin for error. And that's exactly where most people get it wrong. Because the system you're trying to win in was never designed for people starting at zero. A 22-year-old opens a savings account, deposits a few thousand, watches videos about investing. They're told the same thing. Start early. Let compounding do the work. Just be consistent. Sounds clean, logical. There's just one problem. Compounding doesn't care about effort. It cares about scale. And at zero, scale is the one thing you don't have. Let's slow this down. Imagine two people. One starts with $100. The other starts with $100,000. Both earn 10% annually. After 1 year, the first person makes $10. The second makes $10,000. Same effort, same strategy, completely different outcome. That's not unfair. That's math. This is the part nobody says out loud. Wealth building is not one game. It's two different games, played in sequence. And if you play the wrong one at the wrong time, you stay stuck. Game one is escape velocity. Game two is compounding. Most people try to skip straight to game two. That's why they never get anywhere. Let's break it down. When you're at zero, your problem is not investing. It's income. More specifically,
your ability to generate excess income beyond survival. Because without surplus, there is nothing to invest. And without something to invest, compounding is irrelevant. Here's the uncomfortable math. If you save $200 a month, that's $2,400 a year. Even at a strong 10% return, after 5 years, you don't have freedom. You have around $15,000. That's not life-changing. That's a buffer. This is where the illusion breaks. The internet sells investing as the solution. But investing is a multiplier. And multiplying a small number still gives you a small number. So what actually moves the needle? Leverage. Not financial leverage. Skill leverage. There's a reason certain people escape zero faster. They don't focus on saving first. They focus on increasing the size of their income engine. Because at the beginning, your income is your only asset. Think about it. A salary of $300 a month versus $1,500 a month. Same person, same effort over time, different skill set, different market value, different trajectory. So the first real move isn't investing in stocks. It's investing in your ability to earn. Not in a vague motivational way. In a very specific, almost mechanical way. You acquire a skill that the market already pays for. Then you sell it. Relentlessly. This is where things get interesting. Because most people don't fail due to lack of opportunity. They fail due to misallocation of attention. They spend months researching passive income instead of building active income.